Business Credit Builder, Part 3, Appendix A. Quick Reference Guide and Acronyms. Business Identification Number. Unique number used to identify your business. Business Credit Risk Score, Equifax. Score used to assess how well you pay your bills. Business Delinquency Score, Equifax. Score used to predict likelihood business will have delinquent payments. Business Failure Risk Rating, Equifax. Score used to predict likelihood business will fail. Cash Advance allows cardholder to withdraw cash from ATM or over the counter. Check Systems, consumer reporting agency that assesses risk of opening new accounts for clients. Credit Limit, the amount of credit you can access on an account. Credit Utilization, ratio of credit limit used to credit available. D&B Rating, rates a company's overall condition based on financial statements. DBE, MBE, WBE, disadvantaged, minority, or women business enterprises. Days Beyond Terms, DBT, tracks if you pay business bills on time or late. Delinquency Predictor Score, D&B, score used to assess how well you pay your bill. Data Universal Numbering System, DUNS number, unique number assigned to business entity for business credit reporting. Financial Stability Risk Rating, identifies a business risk of distress, failure, or default on payments. FICO Small Business Scoring Score, score used by the SBA, banks, lending institutions. High-risk industries, industries that include high risk for the business owner and lender. iUpdate, Dun & Bradstreet service that allows business owner to update information in credit reports. Inquiries, request to look at credit profile, can be soft or hard pull. IntelliScore Plus, Experian, score used to calculate likelihood of business delinquency. LexisNexis, report used by lenders to determine credibility. NAICS codes, 6-digit code used to identify industries. NET, terms to repay vendor a certain number of days after you are billed for the goods and/or service. Paydex score, score used to analyze payment history of a business. Payment index, Equifax, score used to assess how well you pay your bills. Personal guarantee, PG, accepting responsibility for a person or entity's debt if the debtor fails to pay. Prepaid, terms that require you to load money onto a vendor account which then can be spent. Purchase order, document used to track type, quantity, and prices for products and services. Revolving, terms that allow payment flexibility for the user, either due monthly or paid in full. Seasoned file, a credit file that has aged for typically 2 years. Secured, debt guaranteed by an asset. SIC codes, 4-digit code used to identify industries. Supplier Evaluation Risk Rating, D&B, score used to assess likelihood that business will require relief from creditors or close business. Trade lines, line of credit issued to a borrower. UCC filings, legal documentation filed to serve notice that a creditor has interest in personal or business property of a debtor. Unsecured, debt not guaranteed by an asset.